If you're not consistently getting clients, or if you don't have a consistent flow of leads for your business, try this. Hi, I'm Majeed. I am a public speaking coach for entrepreneurs. The strategy I would recommend is to consistently give speeches. Speak at live events, speak online, on Zoom, on your phone, and have a strategy. I call my strategy the stage getting strategy. I share it in my book, Expert Speaker, The 5 Steps to Grow Your Business with Public Speaking. You can get the book for free right now at expertspeakerbook.com, or you can probably find it in the link in my bio. When you're speaking on stages, you build a lot of momentum. You get consistent flow of leads from the audience, but you also consistently get more opportunities from people seeing you speak in different places. There's a whole strategy from getting the speaking engagement to delivering the speech to the follow-up and referral strategy, and it's all laid out step by step in my book. If you would like a personalized strategy for you, and if you would like to work with someone who can coach you on how to get speaking engagements and use speaking engagements, book a one-on-one strategy call with me. Link is in my bio.